Alright, you guys, now it's Christmas morning. I'm about to work on the salad, which is pretty easy and simple. I found this in the Kroger supermarket. It's just like a nut and cranberry blend. Of course, you guys know I only eat spinach. I don't like lettuce like that. I have some strawberries, English cucumbers, and some tomatoes. Of course, you can make it however you want to. Alright, so these are the oxtails. So far, all I did was put it in a pot, cover it, and allowed it to make its own juice on medium heat. I didn't do nothing else. Y'all didn't miss no steps. All I did put in a pot in some coconut oil, covered it, put it on medium heat, and walked away. Of course, you want to make sure your pot is hot, so the pot was heated on high. Let me go over it again. Then I put it in the pot while it's hot as hell. Then you cover it, turn your heat to medium, and leave it alone. And it's going to make all this juice. I didn't add anything down in here. Alright, so now that we got all the liquids out of the oxtails, now what we want to do is you want to add your beef stock or your beef broth. And you're going to cover this back up and just allow it to cook for about 2 hours until it's tender. You can use your slow cooker, you can use your pressure cooker, or you can pop it in the oven. Alright guys, so I rearranged the salad in the bowl. You could do it however you want to do it. Then I'm going to take the nut and cranberry mix and just sprinkle it. That's it. And you use your favorite dressing. I have a apple walnut dressing, and I think that's what I'm going to use here. Alright you guys, so now we're going to work on the rice. I have it over here because I want y'all to see what I'm doing. Remember in my live from my previous video, I said I'm making an herb coconut rice, and I'm using the green seasoning that I used in the oxtail. So this is my rice. I'm using jasmine rice. This is 1.5 cups of jasmine rice, 1 cup of water. Of course, you need more than 1 cup of water to cook rice. You need about 3 cups of liquid. You always double the amount of rice that in liquid that you have in rice. So then you're going to add your coconut milk. I'm eyeballing because I've done this a million times, but you want to add about 1.5 cups of your coconut milk down in here. You also want to add your salt. Once this comes to a boil on the stove, I'm going to add my butter, and then I'm going to turn it down, let it simmer and cook. Alright you guys, so in here I have flour, and the spices I have here is the same spice that I seasoned the chicken with, as well as onion powder, black pepper, ginger, cayenne, and some salt. That's what's in here. Season your chicken however you prefer to season your chicken. Alright, so I'm on break time. So I made this soup, Jamaican chicken soup. I didn't show that in this video because I already have it, I think, twice on my channel. So everything will be listed, linked, and everything in my description box and below. But look how rich it came out this time. So good. So yeah, I need a break because I'm tired. Alright you guys, so this is the rice. And it's pretty much done. It smells so good. Few ingredients, but strong effect. Got the herb mix, coconut milk, salt, pepper, butter, water. That's it. Alright you guys, so I'm about to make some juice. I'm making blueberry lemonade. In this pot right here I have ginger, sugar, water. We're going to make a simple syrup. Just put this on the stove, bring it up to temperature, and let it sit for 5-10 minutes. You should be good. My blueberries here that I'm about to wash up really well. My washed and sliced lemons. Make sure you wash every single thing. And yeah. Alright, so my blueberries are washed up and ready to go. I have them down in my pitcher. Now all you're going to do, you can use whatever you want to. I'm using a wooden spoon. You can put it in a food processor, no big deal. But I'm not, you know, that's just too much for me. Too many dishes. And I'm just going to smash them. And really what you want is to muddle them. You don't want blueberry puree. That's not what you want. That's another reason why I didn't use my food processor. But if you have some sort of special gadget, feel free. Alright you guys, so I muddled my blueberries down in there. Also already added some sugar. You can use agave, no sugar, however you sweeten your food. That's my chicken back there sitting in my flour waiting on me. So now I'm just going to put my lemon juice. This is self-explanatory. I don't even need to show this part, but put your lemon juice. So now you're going to add your simple syrup. This is going to give it that extra punch of flavor. I'm using all of it. all of it. And then you want to add your bottled water or whatever water you use, filtered water. I'm just using water. And mix it up. Oh, the color is so pretty. I'm going to put it in the freezer so it could get nice and cold. And you'll be able to see it better once it cools. And I put it in a glass with some ice. You'll be able to see much better. Alright guys, this is the last step of the oxtails. Now we're going to add our red peppers. Now I add this the last minute because I like that pretty color at the end when it's done cooking. And that's why I do it this way. You don't have to. It's optional and that's how I choose to do it. I'm going to re-season as in add more fresh herbs. And these are the butter beans. This is all going to cook down for like 10-15 more minutes and we're pretty much done. This is where the magic happens. In 15 minutes, this is going to be thickened. The gravy is going to be perfect. And the oxtail is already tender. See, it's already, I can't even pick it up. See, it's falling apart. So it's tender. Alright y'all, here go the oxtail. See that gravy? No flour down in here. The peppers are still bright. You can see the colors of it. Of course, we're going to remove that thyme. But yep. So that's it for the oxtail. It's done. Alright y'all, and these are the wings I have fried so far. I'm about to fry the rest of my wings. Shower, get cute. And I guess I'll probably insert pictures of the entire spread at the end. But that's pretty much all I made. I am, like I said, going to link my live below so you guys can check out when I prepped every single thing. And I'll catch you guys next time on my next video. Bye. Hey y'all, so I'm about to... Look at me putting my hand right in front of the camera. I'm trying to make it so y'all can see me. It's kind of bright in my kitchen because I was recording. But I'm about to plate up my husband's plate. And I'll show you guys what it looked like. Alright you guys, so this is baby's plate. Of course he could eat more later if he wants to. But, you know. This is the spicy chicken wing. This is the salad right here. This is the potato salad right here that was done in my live video, which I said I would link below. This is the herb coconut rice, and this is the oxtails. Yum. Oh, and oh, here's our blueberry lemonade. All right, guys. Bye.